Hi everyone. I'm going to ask you three simple questions, and if your answer is yes, then believe me, this video is just for you. Are you a startup, or are you facing financial crisis during this COVID-19 to increase your marketing presence? Or are you looking for zero investment marketing hacks? Then this video is just for you. This is Jamie Panchal, your digital marketing expert, came up with few basic hacks of marketing to increase or to boost your business presence online. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to create your business page on all the possible social media platforms. You can build your page on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or you can also create it on Google My Business Listing. Remember, once you create your business page, then you have to provide all the simple basic details on your page related to your business. Either it's a website, either it's a services, product, or anything. You have to provide all the single details of your business over that page. Reason why you have to put everything, because your customers will get the clear idea about your business and what you are providing, how you are providing. After that, you have to create a plan for your posting, your daily posting. Yes, you can plan 5 posts a week. In this, 3 or 2 posts must be related to your services or your product. Rest of the your posting required information based. You can pass some information related to your company, your organization, or your services or your products. You can also share some feedbacks of your customers as in portfolio, as in customer satisfaction. Also, you can also create some of the posts which represents some motivations or some current crisis or some current trending topics. You can use that to generate more engagement, to attract customers, to attract the audience. Next, you have to follow some recent hashtags. Whatever your product or service is, you have to find those related niche hashtags. You can find it from a few tools. For example, you can use bestHashtags.com, allhashtags.com. These are free tools for finding hashtags. You can also generate your own hashtag. For example, my business is Cogent Talks, and I have used hashtag like hashtag Cogent Talks, hashtag Cogent Talks with Jamie Panchal. Right? You can create your hashtags just like Zomato. Zomato is also using their own hashtags. Every businesses are creating their own hashtags to represent their presence online. Next, what you have to do is the main thing. The main thing is ask your customers to share their feedback on your services, on your product. For example, if you are providing a food business, or if you are running a restaurant, then you can ask your customers to share their live experience via videos, via some messages. They ask them to use your hashtags to tag your page whenever they post something related to your services or your food. This may help to increase more or connect with more people. Alright, so feedbacks are most important. You can also share some live videos on your page to represent that what people are doing at your place, like how happy they are, while enjoying when enjoying your food, right? So after that, you have to do simple thing that whatever the post you are posting on your pages, you can also share it in group or communities, or you can also share that on few forums. This may help you to increase more impressions. Visitors may come to your post whenever they find that on different platforms. So these are the basic hacks you must have to use when you really don't want to invest in marketing. Definitely practice this, you will get a definite result. Alright, and if you like this video or if you have any questions, then you can directly reach me. All the details are provided in below links. Next, and I really appreciate if you help me with liking this video, sharing this video. It will help me or it will encourage me to represent more ideas in front of you. Thank you.